Hi guys.
What's up, guys? We're making a video of GTA 4. You can't see me right now because my room's dark. But my friend is we're doing, like, we're riding in a helicopter. Show them that we're riding in a helicopter. And it's GTA 4.
It's gold. It's gold. It's gold too. So we're actually gonna see who can do the highest and actually fall in an awesomest brutal. We're gonna see who does the brutalest crash. So I wouldn't go for heights because that's like kind of not brutal. So I would kind of smash into a building or smash into a car also, like a bunch of cars, and it'll be so perfect. And that's the brutalest attack I would do. See what he's doing? What he missed? Because he sucks.
I go for that one.
I would just go for it. Oh gosh. Dude, you stuck the landing. You should stuck the landing, dude.
That's what's up. That's I'm a beast. Now my friend's about to play, and I'm gonna be videoing right now, guys. Hey guys, we can't because the wings are broken off.
So, guys, we're gonna pause this video. Back to the video.
What's up, guys? We're back. Yeah, my friend's riding to the helicopter place so he can
And please like this video if you like my driving skills.
and so subscribe to my friend's channel. It's Zakit123. I know Zakit, but it's Zach Ike 123. Yeah, it's no driving skills. Guys, I'm actually pretty much new at this YouTube channel, kind of. So, guys, I'm just gonna see if we can get this. Guys, if this video can get to at least 2,000 likes, then I'll make another GTA video. Now he got a helicopter, as you can see, and he's gonna do his crash landing up in the helicopter.
Oh my gosh.
He can't even ride a helicopter. This dude is gonna die. If you look at the bottom left, he has barely any health. I'm not gonna sing part of the national anthem song. Oh, say, can you see the starry night? I cannot even sing this song, 'cause I ain't good at it. Yeah. Stop holding that LT button, 'cause you ain't even going down, you're still flying up. Oh, there you go. Crash.
Perfect.
And well, guys, we're just gonna end the video right here. Hopefully we can get this video to 2,000 likes, and please subscribe. So I'll just see you next time. I will see y'all whenever I make another video. Bye. I pressed the wrong thing, guys. Bye.